Once upon a time, in a tranquil village nestled between rolling hills and whispering streams, there lived a humble monk named Koji. Koji was renowned for his wisdom and compassion, and people from far and wide sought his counsel. One day, a weary traveler arrived at the village, seeking refuge and guidance. The traveler was burdened with worries and frustrations, his mind clouded with impatience and restlessness. He approached Koji, hoping to find solace in the monk's words. With a gentle smile, Koji welcomed the traveler and invited him to sit beneath the shade of a towering cherry blossom tree. The traveler sighed heavily, pouring out his troubles to Koji. "I am plagued by impatience," he confessed. "I yearn for success and fulfillment, yet I find myself constantly rushing, always seeking more." Koji listened attentively, his compassionate gaze resting on the troubled traveler. "Patience is a virtue that many strive to cultivate," he began, his voice soft yet resolute. "It is the key to unlocking inner peace and contentment." He then shared a tale of an ancient master who lived in the mountains, renowned for his unwavering patience. The master would spend hours observing the subtle movements of nature, the dance of leaves in the wind, the slow trickle of water over smooth stones. Through his keen observation, he learned the art of patience, understanding that all things unfold in their own time. The traveler listened intently, captivated by Koji's words. "But how can I cultivate patience in my own life?" he asked eagerly. Koji nodded thoughtfully, his eyes twinkling with wisdom. "Patience begins with acceptance," he explained. "Acceptance of the present moment, with all its joys and challenges. Instead of yearning for the future or dwelling on the past, embrace the beauty of the here and now." He then guided the traveler through a series of mindfulness exercises, teaching him to focus on his breath and ground himself in the present moment. With each breath, the traveler felt a sense of calm wash over him, his racing thoughts gradually slowing to a gentle rhythm. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the village, Koji imparted one final piece of wisdom. "True patience is not passive waiting," he said, his voice infused with quiet strength. "It is an active practice of faith and trust in the unfolding of life. Have faith that everything happens in divine timing, and trust that the universe will guide you on your journey." With newfound clarity and resolve, the traveler bid farewell to Koji, his heart light with hope. As he journeyed onwards, he carried with him the timeless wisdom of patience, knowing that with each step, he was one step closer to finding inner peace and fulfillment. And so, the power of patience continued to weave its magic through the tapestry of life, reminding all who crossed its path that true wisdom lies not in the destination, but in the journey itself.